Tita Mars.
You wanna ask Tita Lyra and Tita Mars
Yeah.
to go with us? Maybe Tita Lyra will ask Tita Lyra if she wants to buy anything from the shops.
Meg, you see her in her house?
I'm not sure. Yeah. Say good morning to the guys.
Good morning.
What are we doing today? You tell them.
You don't take the subs. You don't take the subs.
What are we doing there?
Buy some your leaves.
Lollies. We'll go to the Asian shop to buy mommy's food. And then we'll go to Target to buy Alo another dinosaur.
I don't want a princess.
Oh, we'll look for a princess
I
one
want
for
the
you.
princess milk on here on the floor.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy. I'm taking toads.
Yeah, so we can
And
go.
this is our shorts.
It's Alo's shorts.
And this is baby shorts.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, Alo wants to say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
I'm falling. Already, yeah.
Yeah, let's go change so we can go. Oh
Stop.
my gosh, ang aga pa. Are the shops open? It's only 8:18. We woke up really early, guys.
Open.
Maybe after we change and after we get ready, it'll be open when we get there.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hello. Say let's go, guys. Alright, let's go. You put it back? Well done. Thank you. Nakailang palit na siya ng dress. Pangatlo na niya yung suot niya. So, binabalik niya yung mga kinukuha niya kanina. Gusto ko lang i-share. Well, this is my first time using it. As in, ngayon lang talaga. But I'm loving it. Gusto ko yung itsura niya sa mukha. Parang ayoko nang lagyan ng kung ano-ano pa yung mukha ko. Medyo may kataasan to. Hindi medyo. Mahal talaga tong serum na to. This is the Sulwhasoo Concentrated Ginseng Rescue Ampule. It looks like this. Ito yung na-haul ko. This is from YesStyle. So, meron sa YesStyle ng mga Sulwhasoo products, guys. Just be mindful of the shipping dates. Kasi, kung available siya agad, it will say it will ship within 24 hours. Pero kapag umabot na ng 7 to 14 days or 21 days, sobrang tagal na niyan darating sa inyo. Nung nakita ko siya una, it's a clear liquid sa ilalim. Pero may kailangan kang gawin para mag-mix yung parang ginseng, concentrated ginseng niya sa liquid mismo. Yung itong black na to. Yan. Kasi itong black na nasa taas, nandito siya sa kabila kanina eh. Kailangan mo lang i-twist hanggang sa mag-abot yung dalawang black na lines. And that will dispense the concentrated ginseng to the clear solution. And ganito na yung kulay niya. Kaka-place ko lang ng order ko sa YesStyle for this month. And sana umabot ako kasi next order ko is next month pa. Tapos matagal sila darating. So dapat umabot to sa akin ng 2 buwan. But I love it! I don't know why, but I love it so much. Itong kamerang to, as in 4K, yung ko kasi setting ko sa kanya. So kapag hinay quality nyo yung video nyo, makikita nyo talaga, ito talaga ang mukha ko, guys. I don't use the smooth filter kasi may pa-filter tong kamerang to eh. I don't use that. I just don't like using like filters kahit sa mga pictures. Kapag nagpapabright lang ng photo, yeah, pero yung filter sa mukha, I don't like using that. So, I don't use the smoothing filter. Ganito talaga yung itsura ng mukha ko. So, I have a lot of mga maliliit na mga bumps dito around my nose, especially dito, na matagal ko ng problema na hindi naman nawawala. And I have a lot of discoloration as well, as you guys can see. Like, tas meron akong mga spots dyan na, like, sa totoo lang, I don't really, care that much at the moment. Kasi kahit na, dibdibin ko siya na, gusto ko siyang mawala, ganun-ganun, I can't really do much because I am preggers. Well, hindi lang din yun yung dahilan. Kasi kahit na nung hindi na ako buntis, I didn't really care much about it. But, it's not that big of a deal sa akin. So, ganito talaga yung itsura ko. Uneven yung aking skin tone, ganyan-ganyan. But, again, it doesn't bother me. I don't mind it. Siya lang yung ginamit ko. Naghilamos lang ako and then I put this on kasi naubos na yung Dalba ko na spray nga. Diba sabi ko kahapon naubos na siya. So sabi ko, try ko nga to. Kasi hindi pa siya part ng nighttime routine ko because I still have serum na I use at night. And ayoko naman yung i-dispose para lang gamitin to. But I think I will because I love this so much. Parang ang ganda ng resulta niya sa skin. And now, ayoko nang maglagay ng sunscreen kasi parang ayoko siyang dagdagan ng kung ano-ano pa. Ewan ko. Kailangan ko mag-sunscreen daw. Parang ang ganda lang. Ako lang siguro, guys. Iisip ko lang siguro, uy, mahal to. Kailangan maganda to. Yung feeling ko, I don't know.
It's working.
Oh my gosh, you turned on mommy's camera. Oh my god.
I fixed it.
You fixed it. Thank you.
Here, mommy.
Aw.
You can fix it. Sorry, baby.
Oh, thank you for fixing it, baby.
You're not a mommy.
Oh, my love. You fixed it. You turned it on.
Yes.
Hindi naman kasi yan sira. Well done. You still have your bow. Is this your favorite bow?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll fix your hair
I
in a
don't
minute.
have it.
Hmm?
I don't have it. I
Yeah.
don't have it.
Yeah, see, nawawala-wala kasi yung focus niyan, ate. That's why we replaced that one. It just goes out of focus.
You're right, mommy.
Aw. Thank you so much, my love.
Tea
Alright, I will. Oh no.
Silly, baby.
Silly Billy camera. I'm gonna put sunscreen on kasi kailangan mag-sunscreen, guys. But I think gagamitin ko na siya sa gabi para... Kasi sa gabi wala na, itulog na, alam mo yun. Tas para ma-absorb talaga ng skin na siya lang. At saka yung ibang skincare, walang sunscreen. Ay! I love it. I have 10% off sa YesStyle kung interesado lang kayo kasi nga medyo may kataasan yan, guys. But, pag yan binili nyo, free shipping na kayo. Kasi over $49 siya. You got a little bit. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ayoko siyang patungan but wala na. Too late. We have to apply sunscreen. Pag yan in-order mo, wala na. Diretso ka na free shipping. Kasi $49 lang, makaka-free shipping ka na sa YesStyle eh. And then, you can use my 10% off so mas bababa pa yung presyo niya. Gina-justify ko talaga siya. Uy, first time ko pa lang yung nagamit. So, huwag mo na. Maya gamitin ko ulit. Gamitin ko na yan. I-replace ko yung isang serum. Tapos siguro anuhin ko na. Gamitin ko yung ginseng line. Oh my gosh. As in, papalitan ko talaga yung aking Alright, that's it. I don't want to touch my face anymore. I like it. Where should we go first? Asian shop or Target?
Target.
Target?
Yeah. Mommy, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I want pinchos. Where you buy that from?
The sprinkles. Alright, come here. Let me fix your hair so we can go.
Mommy, this is a bowl.
It is like a bowl. Do you want... let's use that. Malapit na ito maubos. Daisy Dream.
I want that. How you
Hindi
buy
lang to
that from?
nagtatagal
Where you
sa
buy that
akin.
from?
Oh, Kilkini. I didn't buy this. Tita Manay gave this to me.
I didn't want this to you. Hi, Mommy.
Birthday maybe? Tapos before tayo umalis, isa lang natin yung laundry. Para pagbalik natin, tapos ang laundry at magsasampay na lang tayo. Because Wednesday is laundry day. Where is your hair toy? Jaro jaro! Jaripaban! Jaripaban! Feeling ko unahin ko yung Asian shop kasi my sampalok is life. Merong sampalok! Asian shop na pinupunta ka. Feeling ko maasim. Kasi fresh sampalok daw eh. Hindi yung nasa nasa karton na hinog na. Gosh, yun. Tsaka asin. Asin. Says, my belly's gonna be really happy.
Here's your happy.
Alright, all done. And where's your bowl? Where do you want to put it?
Right here.
Right here. Okay.
Oh, it's my neck.
There you go. All done. Let's change our Luna. Hi guys, I forgot my sunnies. Still croissant, Ayla? Ayla, do you want this too?
No, it's not. No,
You don't want it. What do you want?
it's not.
What snack?
It's not.
Other wings?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Kain sila habang magdadrive. Kahala ako na talaga naka-airpods. Pinapakinggan ko kasi yung showtime. hindi pa kami nakakaalis, pero ayoko nang pumasok para kunin yung sunnies. Bahala na lang, wala talaga akong sunnies dito. 25 minutes. No, my
Starting
goodness.
route to Long Life Asian Grocery.
Oh my gosh, I think I will need my sunnies. Sorry guys, I just need to go in and get my sunnies. Close lang natin muna yung garage. Alright. Text Daniel.
What would you like to say to Daniel?
We are driving to Long Life Asian Grocery.
It says, we are driving to Long Life Asian Grocery. Send it?
Send.
Done.
Guys, we're here. But look at our Arlo boy. He is sleeping. Arlo. Arlo, what should we do? What do you think? Just put him in the pram? Yeah? Hindi kasi malaki yung space dun, guys. So, hindi ko actually alam. Iniisip ko kung magkakasya yung pram dun. I think kasya naman. Medyo mahirap lang siguro i-navigate. Try natin. Kasi pag hindi siya nag-pram, I'm pretty sure magpapakarga siya. Ang hirap naman magkarga. Tapos, mag-shopping. Tapos may ate. We'll see. We'll try and put him in the pram. Tingnan nyo to. Siya talaga gusto tumulak. Alright, that's enough. Let's go. May mangosteen. May guava dun, guys. Ayun. Uy, you alright? So, nilagay ko si Arlo sa pram. And nagising na din naman siya, guys. Pero nasa pram na siya. Pero he was behaved. Kaya lang, ang hirap nga lang i-maneuver ng pram dun kasi nga ang liit ng space. So, parang nagstay lang kami dun sa harap kung nasaan yung mga fruits. And I got everything I wanted and more. Guys, they have balot. May nakita akong tray doon na may mga itlog. Tapos tinanong ko siya, what's that? Sabi niya, balot. Sabi ko, ay. Sabi niya talaga balot. And hindi sila Pinoy doon. I just need to boil it. I bought 6. And she said it will last 1 to 2 weeks as long as you put it in the fridge. Okay, mag-haul na nga lang tayo dito. Bumili kami nito but that's empty. Because kinain na ng mga bata doon. Nilagay ko lang yun sa bag para maskan ni ate. Kasi yung laman, kinain na ng kids. So, bumili ako ng persimmon. Ito-try ko yung persimmon. Never ko pa siyang na-try, guys. Ang tagal ko na dito. So, ito-try ko yan. Isa lang. Tapos, isang bayabas. Isang bayabas. May bayabas sila. And isang maliit na pack ng togi. And then, oh my God! Fresh na. Guys, fresh na tamarind. Sampalok. Hilaw. Hindi yung hinog. Huh. Nice. And then, syempre, di magpapahuli ang aking mangustin. I got a lot this time. Ito yung binayaran ko, $73. Duck balut is $2.30 each. Guava is $11.99 per kilo. But I only got one, so that's $3.30. Isang bayabas. Mangosteen, I got 1.3 kilos. So I paid $41. $41? Oh yeah, kasi $29.99 siya. And then the persimmon is $2.07. Alright, ayusin natin ito paglagay kasi ayokong mabasag ang balot. Oh my gosh. Ako na talaga ang may balot. Yan lang yung binili ko doon. Hindi na ako nakapag-explore sa chips aisle kasi hindi na magkasya yung pram ni Arlo doon. So doon lang ako banda sa yung malapit sa counter. Malaking space. You guys okay? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat balot. O, diba? Punta pa kaming Target. Si Arlo naka-pram. Si Ayla naglalakad. What is that, Arlo? So big. Hanapin natin yung dinosaur. Yun. Yan yung nakasale. Yan yung hinahanap ko kahapon. That's what I was looking for. That one. Arlo, look at this. Look at that. Ayla got it. Pterodactyl. Do you want that, Arlo? We'll open it. You want to open it?
Yeah, I did that outside.
What is it?
Whoa.
What is it?
I did that outside.
Pterodactyl. The flying dinosaur. Ito yun. Yan yung nakasale. $12. Magkano ba yan noon? Yan yung nakita ko online. Pero hindi ko siya ma-check out. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi wala siya dun kahapon sa Target na pinuntahan natin. Kira, ang dami mo ng ganyan. Open. Okay, we'll open. What is it? I-open natin to. Tapos, kasi nandito naman sa box yung code. We'll keep the box. What is this? So big. What does the pterodactyl do? What the sky fly in the sky? It's a flying dinosaur like that? Fly. May heart. Whoa! It's a flying dinosaur. So cute. Oh no, we have to cut it, mate. I'm sorry. We have to ask them to cut it, okay? See, I need to cut it here. We have to ask them to cut, okay? What's that, princess? Nakapili na siya ng toy, guys. But she's very patient. Kasi yung kay Arlo, pina-open ko na kay ate. Ayan na, nilalaro na ni Dodong. Tapos sabi niya, akin din, mami, open din. Sabi ko, mamaya na pagdating sa bahay. Oh, wow! What is it? Underwear. Alright, are we ready to go? I think we're ready. Oh, actually, I need to look at one more section. Come here.
Baby shoes?
No, we don't need to look at the baby section yet.
Mommy,
What? I just need...
maybe they're sleeping.
Excuse me. Sorry?
Maybe they're sleeping.
Oh, maybe they are sleeping. Kasi gusto ko yan, oh. Ito. Kaya lang, same lang to ng mga nabili natin recently. Same kulay.
Mommy, is that a baby?
Alright. They can't wait. They really wanna open this.
Mommy,
No, not take
what's
this out.
that? Mommy,
Ang cute-cute nila kanina. Nag-start na kami mag-open and they're just waiting patiently. It's stuck. Okay? You guys waiting?
I help you, Mommy.
You're helping me. That's alright. Almost done. Hello? You want babies?
How tired?
Baby.
I say you.
You're gonna share with
I'm
Ella.
sorry.
Aww.
You did it.
Kanina kasi ayaw niya mag-share. Just wait. I'm just trying to take this out. Okay, guys? Ooh. Oh. Silly Billy. Go.
Mommy, this is for virtual water.
Okay.
This.
Just wait, okay?
Fine.
So, ganito yung itsura niya and maglalabas siya ng mga bata.
Sale.
Mga babing ganito.
For sale. Yay! This for sale.
Just wait. We have to take care of the mummy. Okay? We have to take care of the mummy so the babies come out. He's just chilling there.
I am on the camera.
She's pregnant.
I said it.
She's pregnant. She's carrying babies, guys.
Why?
Huh?
Hi, Mommy. I think the mommy had to.
You wanna feed the mom?
I'm so sure.
Hello, you're so cute, boy.
You're so cute. Mommy.
Just wait, just wait.
Mommy wants to bed it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, touch the mummy. Take care of the mummy. Ooh, share, okay? Share. Just wait, baby. You have to feed the mummy.
Okay. Mommy. So cute.
So cute. Hello. This is Ati's toy, okay? She is gonna share the babies to you. Feed the mummy. Feed the mummy.
Mama, the babies.
And there's a bottle here, Isla. So just wait. Baby, we have to take care of the mummy so the babies come out. We have to wait. Yeah? Oh, he is?
No, it's our baby.
Yeah.
I can't carry.
Alright, this is rubbish now.
I can read this here, Mommy. I read this here. Mama,
Biga kami, guys. Kasi si Arlo pinatulog namin. Tulog na si Arlo. And itong isa, gising siya. Ayoko din siya mag-nap para maaga siya
I
mamaya.
got the toy. I
And
got the toy too.
I know, ay lumabas na pala ang mga bata. Alam niyo bang kinuha ko to dito sa taas kasi hindi siya lumabas ng normal na labas.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I tried it.
Yung mga bata nandito na. Yung babies na. Bunnies pala to. Hindi pala to ano. Ginipig. Akala ko ginipig.
Those are bunnies. Bunny,
Mga
bunny.
baby tatlo. Gustong gusto ni Arlo mga ganyan kasi maliliit.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome, baby. So, ganyan. Naghugas ako ng dalawa para makain natin ang dalawa. Actually, hindi ko naman ito paboritong prutas. Kaya lang, gusto ko nga ng maasim. So, we'll see. Nung bata kami, kinakain namin pati yung ano ha, pati yung, what do you call that? Pati yung balat ng hilaw na ano, na sampalok. Yeah, so nakakain yan. Nakakain yan, di ba? Hindi ako ano hindi. Oh my gosh, yes.
This is Peter's sister.
Ah, yes. Ngayon hinahanap pong asin.
And this is cabbage. Mama's in her over.
Oh my gosh, this is it.
Oh,
This is it. This is the asim I'm looking for.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Oh my
please
gosh,
help me.
baby. That's it.
Mommy. Mommy, help me this. I told you. It's not in. Ah. I need you. They're falling down there.
Yeah.
They're on here. They're falling
Oh my
down.
gosh. Sarap.
I
Ang sarap
said
kapag
for
sobrang daming asin.
Sister.
Ganyan ako sa maasim eh. Ang dami ko asin maglagay. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. Ikaw na talaga. Umabot talaga sa Adelaide at umabot sa bahay namin. Ikaw na talaga. My goodness. $8.53. Naubos ko yung dalawa. Asim-asim. Kain tayo nito. Matamis. Oh my God. This is my favorite. May ano ba ngayon sa Pinas? May mangustin ba ngayon dun? Season ba ngayon dyan?
Mommy, it's your favorite.
This one is my favorite fruit. This is so good. Sarap. Oh my gosh. Mauubos ko to lahat, guys. Pipigilan ko lang sarili ko kasi baka mapabalik na naman tayo kinabukasan. Sarap. Okay, tatlo. Tatlo, promise. Ang perfect pa din, oh. Alright, good. Thank you. More toothpaste? Brush your teeth like ate. Look at ate. Well done, ate. Here you go. More
Thank you,
toothpaste. Go.
Hey,
Brush your teeth. Brush.
Emma.
What more? I did put more already. Go put. No. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Well done, Ayla. Hello, that's for mommy's eyes.
That's for mommy's
mommy's
eyes. My eyes.
Mommy's eyes.
For mommy's eyes. I love mommy's eyes.
Mommy's eyes.
Mommy's eyes. Smell good.
That's it.
The body. You taking that thing?
Now say goodnight to the guys lang.
And I'm not.
See you tomorrow.
See, I know.
Be good. Be good. Blow kiss to the guys. Good morning.
It's money.
It's not morning, Alo. Say blue kiss,
It's still morning. See, the sun is morning.
Good boy.